Hey you guys, thank you for clicking on to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and let's get right into this. So ever since I did my natural hair update video, you guys have been asking me for my natural hair routine. I don't really have a routine, but I decided to show you guys my wash day process. So the first thing I do is take 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts water, mix it up in my little handy dandy spray bottle, and then I'm just going to spray it on my hair. This helps really cleanse my scalp as well as pop my curls. Like, y'all about to see how my curls just pop back into place with that apple cider vinegar. So amazing. So I just take small sections and again spray the apple cider vinegar on my hair, and it also helps to detangle, so my fingers start to run right through my hair strands, because I mean, I'm telling y'all, it is the truth. If you've never tried this apple cider vinegar method, make sure you give it a try. Look how my fingers just start running through my hair. Y'all know that don't happen to my hair, so love this method. So after I get my hair saturated with the mixture, I just go ahead and twist it up to get it out of the way, and then I move on to the next section. I just repeat this until it's done over my entire head and my whole head is detangled and ready to be washed. Now that my hair is complete, I just kind of rub my scalp to make sure that the mixture is also hitting my scalp, which I'm sure it has, but I just go ahead and run my fingers through my scalp and then spray a little more of the mixture onto my hair. Then I go ahead and add my shower cap and let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, not very long. And then it's time to get in the shower and rinse it out. You want to make sure you rinse all of that apple cider vinegar out pretty well. You don't want to leave any of that in your hair, but as you can see, my hair is just super detangled after I put it in there, and I really love the way my hair feels when I do this method, and it just makes things faster and easier with detangling. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse that apple cider vinegar out First, I'm going to show you my shampoo here. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I've showed you guys this so many times. It's been in so many empties and I just absolutely love this shampoo. So here you just see me rinsing out the apple cider vinegar. Again, you just want to make sure you get all of that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. Alright, so now it is time to deep condition my hair. I'm using the Naturall Club Dry Hair Solution and I love this stuff. You guys know I've worked with them before. I'll link that video if you haven't seen it, but it is a deep conditioner that is basically avocados. It's super fresh and feels so good on the hair. If you want to see all the details about the deep conditioner, definitely check out the video I did before. But if you're interested in any of their products, I have a 10% off discount code, so make sure you check that out. I'll put it down below in the description box as well as a link to the products. I'm going to use their growth serum later on in this video as well, so I want you to check that out because I absolutely love their products. I want to see how long my hair grows with the serum and using their deep conditioner as well in the next couple of months. So I just applied the deep conditioner and I let that sit on my hair for about 2 hours. Normally I only let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, but I was doing some cleaning, so it was in my hair for about 2 hours. My hair is so soft with their deep conditioner. It is freaking ridiculous. So now I'm just going to rinse that out and my hair just feels so good and so soft. I've never felt anything that had my hair feeling like that. I mean, it's amazing. Again, I talked to you guys about it in that last video, so please, please, please check that out. This is a Black-owned company and amazing, amazing, amazing. This is how my hair looks after I finish rinsing everything out. As you can see, it shrinks up into a little fro. So I've gotten out of the shower and now I'm going to use my Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I'm going to leave that down below in the description box as well. I'll leave a link to it. I really love this stuff. Again, just makes my hair super soft and easy to detangle once again. So I spray this all over my hair and I just let that sit in my hair. I love this leave-in conditioner. So now, like I told you guys before, I'm taking the Naturall Club Growth Serum. They have different flavors. They have a lavender. I am using the original right now, and I'm going to add that to my hair. As you can see, I'm having difficulties getting it open, but I'm going to add that to my hair. And like I said, I want to do a hair growth challenge to see if this stuff really works and really makes my hair grow. So I'm going to be using this over the next couple of months. If you guys try their products, please let me know and update me on how it's working for you, because I am loving their products. My hair sometimes just feels so hard. It just feels so rough sometimes and dry, and I really love the way it feels after I put these products onto my hair. So check them out if you have not. And again, I do have that discount code for you to save a little bit of coin. So this is really it, you guys. I just focus on my hair and as well as my edges. Y'all know my edges are a little thin, so I focus the Grow Serum on those places, and I go ahead and put my hair up in a puff and I let it air dry. That is what I do every wash day, and then later on I'll twist it and put it under a wig. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.